Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 5 science teacher. How are you all? I'm Miss Anila, and today I have taken in the online class. I have taken the oral test of children about chapter 12 shadows and eclipses. So I have only revised the questions for asking and taking their oral test. I may revise the questions again. So I asked them that what do you mean by the source of light, and then we discussed about the natural and artificial. What is natural light, what is artificial light? So natural light, you know, the sun and the stars, and artificial light definition lies here. It's a source of light that can be controlled by us. It is made by man, like lamp, torch, etc. Then I asked them questions that what was reflection, and then what is an opaque object. Answer lies here. I've already done in the copies, and if you want to see from book, it is also done in the book. So opaque object, what is opaque object and its examples also I asked, and children have given so nice answers. It means they have prepared very well, and I was very much happy with them. Then I asked them what are translucent objects. They gave the name and the examples. Then what is a transparent object? That also children gave very nice answers. Then I asked them that what is how a shadow is formed. So they gave the answers as they have written and they have learned. They gave the answer in their own words. That was amazing. Then what are the three things needed to for a shadow to be formed? So they said a light source, an object, and a surface or screen where the shadow is formed. Then I asked about the difference between umbra and penumbra. So they said that umbra, the shadow has two type of shadows, and one is umbra, that is the inner and the darkest part, that's called umbra, and the lighter and the outer part is called penumbra. Then I asked them about this also we have done. Then I asked something from the eclipse also, that what is eclipse. So eclipse is formed when the earth, moon and the sun come together in a line while in orbit, and lunar eclipse relates to the eclipse of the moon, while solar eclipse is the eclipse that relates to the eclipse of the sun. Then I asked some questions from the testing zone also, page number 135, and mashallah they were able to give very good answers. You have already done this in the previous class. And then I asked the questions from the blanks, and they also were able to give the answers very well. Then I asked the blanks from the true false. I made the true false as blank. I asked like that, and dash object does not allow light to pass through it. So they said opaque. Then no dash can be formed under moonlight. They said shadow. Then glass is a dash object. They said transparent. Then shadows need a dash of light. So they said source of light. And no shadow can be formed in dash. So they said darkness. Now I also asked a few questions orally. What are the two main type of light sources? So artificial and natural. And what are the different parts of the shadow? So umbra and penumbra. Question C we have already done in the copies, and this also I have asked before. Now children, for the test you also be prepared for unscramble the letters. Not only these, you can be prepared for any spelling. So if you're good at spellings, you can do unscramble the letters at any time. So I have done this oral test in the online class, and for homework I have given chapter 11 to revise chapter 11 for homework. And that is all. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.